Hello and good morning, sir. I am Lim Wen Hong. I am the leader for Group F, 1F. My teammates are Chong Jia Sheng, Chia Jun and Fang Yong Aun. So the title of our project is Leave Application System.
Hi sir, now this is our login page for our system. Here we can enter our username, for example, Jundo, then the password. You can click it to see.
Good morning, sir. My name is Fang Yong Aun, and today I'll be doing a presentation about our demo video project. So for the title, we have chosen Leave Application System. And today I'll be talking about the user dashboard and the user's profile. So as you can see at the dashboard, the user can navigate around through the dashboard, calendar view, and view calendar. And then the user will be welcome, as you can see. And then here, it will be a summary of the total working days, total days off, and their attendance grade. So these four circles here will be showing about how many times the user have taken off for each type of leave. So as you can see, for casual leave, the user have taken 0 leave off and they have 10 available. Meanwhile, for sick leave, the user have taken 1 and then there's 13 available left. So as the number increases, the availability will decrease and then this will also decrease. So if you scroll down, there's a company leave policy where the user can view at what type of leave they have and how many they are entitled per year and what purpose is the leave for. And as you can see on the right side here, there's a holidays where the user can view the holidays that's gone throughout the year that is given by the admin and the company. So if you scroll down, you can see that the upcoming holiday is a national day. It will be highlighted here. Now let's go to the profile, which the user can easily find it here. Just click on it and you'll be brought to the profile page. So this is all the information that's given by the admin. The user can change the information. So let's just press on the edit profile here, and then they can change their email address. Now let's change, and then change the phone number. So the user can change their profile picture if they do not like their old one. So let's change the profile picture and just press save changes. Now you'll see that profile updated successfully. Just click on OK. Now let's try the change password. So to change your password, you need to enter your current password and then enter your new password. Just click on update password and then you say password updated successfully. Just click on OK. Now, what happens if the user enters a password that is not theirs? That is wrong password. Okay, let's try. Just click on update password. It will say current password is incorrect. And what happens if you key in the correct password but then you put it wrong, not the same, the new password and confirm password not the same? It will say that new password and confirm password do not match, and just click on OK. Thank you, that's all for me. Thank you.
Hello, it's me, Lim Wen Hong. Now I will be continuing the presentation with the rest of the user functions. So I log into a user account. Okay, and then from here, I will be presenting on the calendar view. Okay, so when we click into this, we can see a calendar and then we can see two colors on the calendar. So the yellow box marks for today and the red box is a holiday, which is defined over here in holidays. So July 6th. So July 6th. So besides having a color, we have also made it so we cannot select holidays. So when we click on it, it shows an error key. We are unable to select the day. Okay, and then we can select a holiday or days that we want to apply leave by clicking on it for one day or dragging on it if you want multiple days. So in this case, I will be selecting 5 days, and then I can go over here to double check the dates and click apply leave. Okay, so once I click it, I will be redirected to this page called apply leave. So over here, you can select the type of leave. So I'm going to choose unpaid leave. The name and department with date and date range will be auto-filled. So what's left is the reason. So I'll just type something here. and then I can just click submit request to submit the request, and then I can see the request done over here, right? Okay, so besides that, after we submitted the request, we will be redirected to this view leave page where we can see all of the requests that we have made. So of course we can just come to this page by clicking on the sidebar. Okay, and there are a couple filter options such as approved, pending, rejected, and all. Okay, also included in this page is an apply leave button, which has the same functions as this button over here in calendar view. And we can also use this button to apply for leave. So over here, I'm also going to apply for new leave. And then I'm going to attach an MC. This thing, submit. Okay, so now that I have shown how to submit the leave, I will head over to the admin page to show how it is accepted or rejected. So log into admin account. Okay, so this is the admin dashboard. You can see we can see the tables that contains all of the requests. We also have filter options. Okay, so in this case, I'll be filtering by pending. Okay, so we can see the requests, the time that the request was made, the employee name, the employee ID, the type of leave, when it is from, to, the reason, the status, any admin notes and actions, and MC. So for this one, I have attached an MC. I can click on it to view it. Okay, and then I can choose to approve or reject it. So let's say I'm going to reject it and say, and also can add a note. So I can write here invalid MC. And for this one, maybe I can approve it. And if you do not know what to write, it will automatically set it to approved by admin or rejected by admin. So there's no need to worry too much. Also included here are details. So here it will show the detail of the employee. So you can see the leave balance. And once we click approve, it will update the database. So let's say this one is unpaid leave. So it should deduct the unpaid leave by 5 days. So let's go to users and check John Doe is 25, from 30 down to 25. And if I click reject again, it will bump it back up to 30. Yeah. Okay, so I'm going to put it back to approve. Okay, and that is it for my part. Thank you.
Good morning, sir. My name is Chong Jia Sheng, and I will be presenting for the check staff ability page and the profile page of the admin. Here we can see this calendar, and we can pick a day to see the availability of the every employee. For example, I pick for the 11th of July. It will show all employee is available, and here is the details. Here's the date, and there will be three status of here is availability, unavailable, and on leave. For example, I have previously approved a leave on 8th of July, and when I click here, it will show there is on leave, and this is the details for it. And here is for the further month of the year, and here is to add holiday, and it will reflect at here, and also for the user. For example, I click add holiday and I add for tomorrow, and the name will be test, then I save holiday, it will be saved and show it here. And also I can delete it at here by clicking this icon. Okay, and it disappear. And next will be the profile. Profile here is to show the details of my profile, and I can edit by clicking here and also change the password. For example, I change my email into testing. Then this will be like this, and I choose a new profile picture. This one. Then I save changes and show this, and all my picture will be changed. For password, my currently is test. I want to change this to 123, and I click update. It shows successfully, and in the database you also can see it already changed. And that's all from me. Thank you, sir.
Good morning, sir. My name is Chia Jun, and I will present about the part of manage staff. Okay, as we can see, here is all of the staff that available. And their record, their information will show here. Okay, next we talk about the filter. We can filter the staff by department, for example, human resource, information technology, marketing. They will filter by the department. Okay, next we go to the edit function. For example, we have typo when add the staff, the name will typo. Okay, we click the edit. Okay, for example, we change the name to Harry Lim. Okay, Harry Lim. We change also for the email, and for the employee ID, it cannot be changed because it is assigned by the system automatically. And also for the department, we also can change it. Change it to human resource, HR management manager. Okay, save change. It will show staff information updated successfully, and also we can see it will updated. The record has been updated. And for the database also, click the refresh. Yeah, here will show. You can see Harry Lim. Yeah. Okay. Next, we go to the delete function. Okay, we can click to the delete when we can delete the staff when the staff is resigned. Okay, it will ask you to confirm. Okay, we confirm it, and then it will show staff member deleted successfully, and we can see the Harry Lim record has been deleted. And also for the database, we can show that yes, has been deleted. Okay, next we go to the add new staff. Of course, have the delete function, we also need have the add new staff function. Okay, we click to the add new staff and navigate to this page. Okay, we insert name. Okay, for example, we use Harry Tim. Okay, we type his email address. Oh yeah, here we also have do the validate for the email address. Okay, for example, we put like this. Okay, when we add staff, it will ask us to put the alliance. So we put the alliance. Okay, so now we can click the add staff, and then here will show the default password. Means that we can share this password to the staff, and then the staff later can be edit his password at its profile. Okay, so we back to the staff list, and then we can see here the staff has been add, and also here you can see fresh. Yeah, Harry has been add. Okay, so and last we need to log out our account. Okay, and that's all from me. Thank you.